Students, today we are going to start exercise 4.2 of class 7 simple equations. Okay, so here in this exercise what we have to do, again we have to solve some equations. Okay, so see what is given in question number 1. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable, then solve the equation. Means here we have to write the step also by which we are separating the variable. Means here we have to eliminate the variable by multiplication, division, addition or subtraction. So whatever step we are using here, that step we have to write in the answer, or we can say solution. So see here, there is one trick out there. So how to solve this type of questions? See, first you have to check which is variable, which is constant. Constant means all the numbers are called constant. So here two constants are given, -1 and 0. You have to check the sign also. Okay. And what is the variable? Variable is x. Now see which constant is on variable side. Variable की तरफ कौन सा constant है? So here we can see 1 is on the variable side. This is RHS side. This is RHS side. So 1 is on the variable side. But 1 is having which sign? 1 is having negative sign. So the sign which constant is having, you have to just perform opposite sign. Okay. Or we can say you just apply opposite sign. If -1 is given, so what you can do? You can add both sides +1, like adding 1 both sides. This is the concept key here. Okay, x -1, what we have to do? Adding 1 both sides, so +1 both sides. Now -1 +1, we know that minus plus cancel out, only x is remaining left, and here 0 + 1 is remaining left. So here we can see x is equals to 1 in the solution for given equation. And what is the step which we have used for separate the variable? This is the step which we have used to separate the variable. Now, option number D, x plus 6 equal to 2. Now here tell me which constant is on variable side? Constant 6 is on variable side. Having which sign? Having positive sign. Means the sign which is given in the equation, just opposite sign you have to use in the separation step. Okay, like opposite of plus is minus, opposite of multiplication is divide. So here plus is given, so you have to use subtraction sign. Okay, so and where you have to use subtraction sign? With the same constant which is written on the variable side. So plus 6 is given, so what you will do? Subtracting 6 both sides. So x plus 6 here, -6 this side and -6 this side. So plus 6 -6 cancel out these two. What is remaining left? Remaining left is x, and 2 - 6 gives us -4. So here what we can say? X is equals to -4 is the solution for given equation. Okay. So the basic concept is, first check which constant is on the variable side. Then check its sign. Use just opposite sign and perform the operation. Okay. And these are the steps which you have used for separating the variable out of equation. Okay. Now in question number 2 also what we have to do? In question number 2 also we have to give the steps by using, we have separated the variables. So see here, this is the first question of second option. Second question, 3l equal to 42. Now you can see this is the variable l and 3 and 42 are the constant. Now what we can do in case of multiplication? I have told you what is the opposite of multiplication? Opposite of multiplication is division. So if multiplication is given, you will perform division. Okay. Now see which constant is on variable side. Constant 3 is on variable side, or we can say constant 3 is with variable. 3 and l are in multiplication. So what you will do? You will divide 3 both sides, because in equation these two are in multiplication. So dividing 3 both sides, 3l divided by 3, 42 divided by 3. Now 3 upside and downside, these two cancel out. What is remaining left? Remaining left is L. And 42 divided by 3, how much we will get? 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So L is equals to 14. We can say L is equals to 14 is the solution for given equation. Now if this type of question comes, what you will do? Here, which constant is on variable side? Constant 3 is on variable side. Okay, z by 3 equal to 5 by 4. Now 3 is in division. So just opposite what you will do? You will multiply the same constant both sides. Multiplying 3 both sides. Okay. So z by 3 multiply by 3. 5 by 4 multiply by 3. Now here numerator 3, denominator 3. Cancel out. What is remaining left? That is z. And here 5 3s are 15 upon 4. So what is the solution for this equation? Solution for this equation is 15/4. Okay, this is how, by writing step of separation, these are called step of separation. You can simply perform the operational steps and then you can solve the given equations. Now let us move towards question number 3. Again we have to write step of separation, then we have to solve the given equation. Here you can see on the variable side there are two constants. Okay, one is in subtraction, another is in multiplication. So if this type of case arises like plus, minus, divide and multiply. Okay, plus, minus, divide and multiply. So first you will solve this two, then you will solve these two. Okay. So here minus is given, so first we will solve -1. So see what we have to do here. -2 is given, so we will add plus to both sides. So adding to both sides, 3n minus 2, here adding 2, and 46 here adding 2. Now -2 plus 2 cancel out, what is remaining left? 3n, and here 46 plus 2 gives us 48. Now here you can see 3n equal to 48 is the simplest form. Now 3n and both are in multiplication. So what is the opposite of multiplication? Opposite of multiplication is divide. So what we will do? We will divide 3 both sides. So dividing 3 both sides. 3n divided by 3, 48 divided by 3. Now here 3 cancel out. What is remaining left? N, and 48 divided by 3 gives us 16. So here the steps of separation also we have written, and at last 16 is the solution for given equation. Now option number D is also different type of question. Here you can see with variable one constant is in multiplication, another constant is in divide. So in this type of cases where multiplication and divide both comes together, you will give preference to divide first. Okay, the number which is in divide, you have to eliminate that number first. So which number is in divide? Number 10 is in divide. So what is the process for eliminating the number which is in divide? We just multiply that same number both sides. The number which is in divide, the same number we will multiply both sides. So multiplying 10 both sides. Okay, you can see here 3p by 10 multiplying 10 and 6 multiplying 10. Now 10 cancel out. What is remaining left? 3p, and here 6 tens are 60. Now this is the simplest form. 3 and 3 are in multiplication. So for eliminating 3, what operation we will use? These two are in multiplication, so we will use just opposite application, that is divide. So dividing 3 both sides, 3p divided by 3 and 60 divided by 3. 3 cancel out, here remaining left is p, and 60 divided by 3 gives us 20. So what is the solution for this equation? 20 is the solution for the given equation. This is how in this question you have to write two step of separation. Okay, after that you have to find the solution. Now question number 4 is the combination of all three questions. Means here we have to write step of separation also, then we have to solve the questions on the basis of previous concepts. Like here 10p equal to 100 given. Okay, only one step of construction, step of separation we have to write here. 10 is in multiplication, so we will use divide application. So dividing 10 both sides, 10p divided by 10, 100 divided by 10. Here you can see 10 and 10 cancel out. What is remaining left? Remaining left is p, and here 100 divided by 10, 10 tens are 100. So what is the answer? 10. Means for this equation what is the solution? Solution is 10. Now let us see option number E of question number 4. Okay, I am explaining each type of every question from the given patterns. 3p divided by 4 equal to 6. Now here I have told you that if you are having two constant with variable, one is in divide, another is in multiplication. So you will eliminate the divide constant first. Okay, the divided constant you will eliminate first. So what is the divided constant here? That is 4. So 4 is in divide, so you will multiply 4 both sides, multiplying 4 both sides. So 3p by 4 multiplied by 4, and here 6 multiplied by 4. Now 4 and 4 cancel out. What is remaining left? 3p remaining left, and 6 4s are 24. Now this is the simplest form. 3 and p are in multiplication. So what is the opposite of multiplication? Opposite of multiplication is divide. So you will divide 3 both sides. 3p divided by 3, 24 divided by 3. Now here you can see 3 and 3 cancel out. What is remaining left? P, and here 3 8s are 24. So what is the solution for this equation? Solution for this equation is p equal to 8. Now this is all we have studied in exercise 4.2. that how to eliminate the given variables by using operational signs plus, minus, divide and multiply. So I hope the concept is clear for you all. Thank you students for watching this video.